The unloading process of cow and cattle. The brown cattle is unloading from the truck. Okay. The process of unloading the cattle. The cattle. Okay, the process of unloading the animal. Farmer unloading the cow animal from the car, from the pickup car, from the truck. That's a big cow, white cow ongole. And the second cow unloading too. There are some cows here, some animal. This is animal market of cow market. When you selling and get profit from cow here.